go. Now, this old log, we're gonna make some mushroom. It's gonna be a mushroom for a garden gnome. That way you can settle them individually or together. Then they'll have a happy little home to go to or stand beside. But first things first, we're gonna start at the bottom and do the trunk first, and then we'll work on the top and make the mushroom. So we're gonna go up about that far, leave a bottom on at your base, and then we're gonna go up to where we want the top of our mushroom to start or cap. Draw your little line. The way you kind of got an idea about keeping it somewhat even. And then right in here, we're gonna start tapering this down, making you a mushroom base for your trunk. Canola oil. All right, y'all, now we got our stump done. Now remember, we want this a fat stump here, where it looks like it goes in a gnome bed, garden bed with a gnome house in it. Kind of taper down on the bottom, taper down on the top, and then we'll start on our crown of our mushroom. Toadstool, whichever one you prefer. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna smooth up this mushroom some. I do not advise any of you to get this chainsaw grinder wheel. It's dangerous and it'll hurt you. It's hurt me. There's so much better options out there now that you don't need to get this. I got this thing like 7 years ago, and there's a whole lot more safer options out there. But I got it and I'm using it now because I ain't bought the new stuff yet. And just like that, y'all. That's why I tell you to never buy this piece of machinery right here. It will get you. You can see my shirt. My shirt saved me. Tore all the holes in it. Ripped this hole in my arm. We're going to have to go clean that up. Then we'll continue on. But don't ever buy a grinder wheel with a chainsaw attachment on it for working on wood sculptures. Well, y'all, this is why I keep a medic kit in my pickup. Both of them. You never know when you might need to use it to show this video. We're going to take this wound, this iodine on it. Alright, y'all, now that we got that took care of, we're going to paint this thing, put it up against the nose. Alright, y'all, we got a red on. Clean up this green a little bit. Now we're going to put the spots on our old mushroom.